what happened to our body when we stop eating sugar. Sucrose, which is the name of common table sugar, is a sugar that comprises of two molecules, glucose and fructose. The different types of sugar we find in our foods are mostly composed of these two molecules, but just in different ratios. Eating too much sugar can seriously affect your health. Too much sugar in your diet can influence your likelihood of obesity and type 2 diabetes and even heart diseases. Sugar can be a contributing factor to calorie surplus that will lead to a weight gain. In this video, we are going to talk about what happens to our body when we stop eating sugar for a week or for some days. First change will be hormonal level shift. When we stop consuming sugar, insulin level starts to come down. Insulin regulates our sugar and store excess glucose as glycogen or later as body fat. It's really hard or almost not possible to burn fat and reduce weight when lot of insulin is circulating in blood. So when you stop eating sugar, it makes it easy for your body to access stored body fat and burn it for energy. This helps to reduce your lipid level in blood after 5 days or 1 week. That will help in your drop of cholesterol level too. Second change you feel is loss appetite for sugar. Every time you consume sugar, a hormone, insulin, comes into blood and pushes the sugars down, causing a low blood sugar situation that causes you to crave sugar. When you stop eating sugar, the insulin secretions also decreases. That's why you feel less appetite for sugar. Third change you feel is less hungry. It is the sugar that keeps you hungry all the time. Whenever your blood glucose level goes high, insulin secretion also increases and insulin promoting the absorption of glucose from the blood into liver, fat and skeletal muscles. Giving up sugar can help stabilize blood sugar that will make you to feel less hungry. Fourth change will be weight loss. Sugar can be addicting and when we decrease the amount that we eat, it is also stop craving. So we consume fewer calories and lose weight. First 1 week it will be water weight and fat. After that weight loss will be from your fat. Fifth change is loss of excess water and fat. When you stop eating sugar, you are going to dump a lot of excess water and fat. First 1 week it will be water weight and fat. After that weight loss is from fat. This change can be more visible at your stomach region. That is, if you reduce sugar, stomach shrinks and eat sugar, stomach expands. Sixth is enhanced mood and less stress. That is because your cardiovascular function also improved so that you will be more focused and concentrated. Seventh is less fatigue, especially after eating a meal. When eating sugar on regular basis, usually you feel tired after a meal. That is because of blood sugar. When blood sugar is high, secretion of insulin also will be high and that will promote the absorption of free glucose available in blood. That will make you to feel more fatigue. Eighth one is skin looks better, that is glowing skin with less acne. Sugar causes glycation, a process by which the sugar molecule bind to and deform the collagen and elastin in our skin. Collagen and elastin are the two main proteins that give our skin its youthful, supple properties. Giving up or reducing the amount of sugar you eat can also reduce glucose and insulin spike in your bloodstream. That will help to reducing chronic and acute inflammation linked to aging. You can get your glow on within 14 days of giving up sugar. Another change you feel will be less stiffness, less inflammation and less pain. This may be due to the fact that sugar can lead to chronic inflammation which impact brain function. When you cut off sugar, you might feel that fog lift along with your mood in just 1 or 2 weeks. There are many more benefits for reducing or stop eating sugar like better kidney functions, removal of liver fat and etc. In this video, we talked about what happened to your body if you stop eating sugar for some days. What you are doing is converting from sugar burning to fat burning. This can take about 3 days and you may feel a few symptoms in this process. Taking B vitamins and potassium can help with these symptoms.